So that's how the pit bike track, how it turned out. Look at this berm. So sick. So I was planning to do a little bit of pit bike test out. I don't know if I'm able to jump these jumps because they are quite big. Oh, freaking huge. Oh, it's stuck! How am I supposed to ride this? Oh, damn! Easy, easy. Drop. Hi, hi. So I've jumped everything now. The whoops are really crazy, especially in the end. In the beginning they are quite okay with the pit bike, but in the end they are so big. But yeah, I jumped the double everything, so whew, it's quite exhausting also to ride the pit bike. Hvordan ser det ut?
Det veldig bra ut.
Ja, vips her litt crazy da. Man, that track is totally awesome. So I don't know who designed that thing, but he must be a genius. Calm 20-minute session and I'm sweating like hell because pit biking is heavier than you think. Yeah, I think it was a lot of fun. I didn't think the whoops were going to ride that good with the pit bike actually, but they did. Only the ones in the end were too far apart, but that only makes them challenging, which is fun. And I almost had a big crash there, so happy to escape that. I cannot talk even because incredible how the track was. I'm so happy with it. And whew, now I need to get changed, I think, before we get some dinner. So pit bike, perfect. So much fun out here on the pit bike track. Wow. Actually, it's keeping together quite nicely also. Thought it would fall apart much more, but still stays together quite well, even though I didn't even put down water to make it hard. So I think I'm going to do that someday to make it really hard and good. I especially like this section where I double there. I call it's a step down. This one is a little bit too short because sometimes I'm landing with my front wheel into the next one, then the tabletop, and then it's like such good flow around there and over the scrub jump and that turn. I really love it. And also the waves are quite fun, even though they're really difficult. They're quite sketchy, but I'm getting the hang of it. I need to like not push too hard in the start and then start to get the front wheel up in the end, because it gets buried a little bit down and then it really kills my momentum when the front wheel go in between the whoops. Almost went over the bars a couple of times, so it's really difficult. But yeah, some guys on Instagram said I should jump this with a pit bike, but no way, it's not possible. Or it's possible, but if you land on top there, it's no good. So I'm not taking any chances like that. I like the way it's riding right now. Of course I could have some bigger jumps, but hvem er det? Er det oss to, eller? Hallo. Hei, hei.
Hei.
Hei. Ser du deg der?
Ok.
Ok.